Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm going to share with you some of the art creations done by me. So basically they all are a mixture of knitting and crochet. So I'll start with this one, very small one. So this is a snowman. So I have used almost everywhere knitting in it. And this is a little pom-pom over here, and everything including the scarf is knitting here. So the next is Santa Claus. So for Santa Claus I have used crochet while making its face and this beard, but for rest of the body parts I have used knitting. And then I have used some decorative dots, or these are not safety eyes or bubbling eyes. These are basically some very small buttons which I have used here. So the next which I am going to display is a Christmas tree. So the Christmas tree is completely crochet, single chains, single crochet, then the star is also crochet. Almost everything in Christmas tree is crochet. So next what I'm going to share with you is Lord Ganesha. So I have made this Lord Ganesha, and every part of Lord Ganesha is, except the ear, every part is made of knitting. So the ears are crochet. Yeah, this is a little laddu. And then here is my version of Toothless. If you guys have seen the movie called How to Train Your Dragon, so yeah, this is from there. The inspiration came from there. So for Toothless, everything is knitting, every part is knitting except this tail. So here I have used those bubbly eyes, right? It's in black, so maybe it's not very visible, but yeah, it's all knitting. Then I have tried to make one rodent here, though it's not quite looking like a rodent, but yeah, it's a rodent. So it's completely knitting. Again, this face part, these ear, hands, this little strawberry, it's crochet. So it's like a mixture of both. See? And the last one which I'm going to share is a cute version of dragon I have made. Again, this dragon is all knitting except this accessory part where I have made those decorative part of its tail, neck. Apart from that, everything is knitting. I have one more thing to share with you guys. So I have prepared a peacock. So again, the peacock is again knitting plus crochet. The whole tail is made of crochet, while the body part is made of knitting. Now the beak is made of crochet, the legs are knitting, and the whole tail part is made of crochet. So I hope you guys liked my collection. If you guys are interested in knowing tutorial of any of it, let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to share it with you. And if you like my creation and do you want me to share some videos with you and further more creations of mine with you, please let me know in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe to my channel.